Okay guys, update. We finished the other whatever. Another bed, one bed without seeds. So I put it, and then now we cover that one there, the last one. And then the cutting also some palm leaves to put to the next, and then we good to go. Then we water it today. Yes, water, because we don't have rain. Okay, so we done the watering Tuesday 7 of April. Think if the soil is dry for the next 2 days, then we'll continue watering them. Yeah, if it doesn't rain, so that's what we have to do, watering it ourselves. Yeah, see, it's only this one, these 2 rows of beds need to cover, and then we head in. Oh my, yep, we have sunny day. Look at the sky. Okay, that's it for today. See ya mga katita. Bye.